Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be sprouting some kale, and we're going to try to do it using a old wine bottle I have here. This is going to be part of the Grow Anything series. So what we're going to do is just place some rock wool in the top of this wine bottle. See here, got some water filled up in the wine bottle, and then we got our nutrients here, General Hydroponics Maxi Grow. I like doing this because it helps pH balance the water, and I don't have to worry about pH balancing. Then I got a 1-inch rock wool just sitting in some water down there. Got my kale seeds right here. I'm just going to dump some of these out. See if we can get them to come out without spilling everywhere. There we go. Alright, I don't know if you can see those or not, they're pretty small. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take this rock wool out of the water, let it drip some, get some of the excess water out of there. Actually, before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and put about 1/4 teaspoon of General Hydroponics into this wine bottle I have here. Just dump it down in there. Then I'm gonna try to cover that and shake it up as best as we can. Get the nutrients dissolved inside there. This is kind of an experiment and see how it goes. Really don't have anything that I can stick down in there and dissolve this with, but that should be more than enough nutrients for this kale. So now we're going to take this rock wool, and let it drip, and we're going to stick it. We're just going to try to stick it right here in the top of this wine bottle, and that should give us enough moisture to keep this rock wool wet. So this is just a little experiment, doing it without a net cup or anything like that, and see if we can actually get anything to sprout and grow in here. So I got one little kale seed I'm going to put down in there, drop down in there, let's cover it up, and I'm going to put about 2 more, I think. This isn't the normal way I would grow it, but we're just kind of doing this as an experiment to see if we can actually get it to grow in a wine bottle. Alright, so those are planted in there. I don't know if they'll be able to, the roots be able to push through into the water or not, but we will find out. Now, the last thing we need to do is make a little humidity dome for it to help them sprout. So I'm just going to take a little Ziploc bag I have here. You can use any kind of Ziploc bags. These are ones I just actually bought on accident. And then I'm going to seal it right around here. Get some air in there. And that will just help increase the humidity inside the little dome to help it sprout a little bit. So there we go. We got kale planted in a wine bottle, and we'll see how this turns out. I'll check back in a week or two and see how it's going. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.